Hey everyone, I just checked in to the Hôtel Rive-Gauche. I know I probably pronounced that wrong, but I want to show you around the room. We are on the outskirts of Montreal. So I want to give you a look. This room is great. There's a sitting area here. There's a really comfy table and space to work, flat screen TV. There's a really nice deck here. The river is right on the other side of those trees. I have a view of it from here, or maybe it's that way. The river is nearby. I'm way too turned around. We just pulled in. A really nice king-size bed. Nice and fluffy, tons of space. There's a mini fridge here. Nice size closet, storage area here, and a really nice bathroom. Great walk-in shower, shampoo, conditioner, and soap, which is always lovely. Again, this is the Hôtel Rive-Gauche. Somebody will tell me please how to say it properly. And we will have more information on our trip from Quebec City to Montreal on Tammy Lee Tips. Hope you had a great day.